this roof leak today. This is blown off in the wind. He's fixing the wall rot. So we're going to refix it using these self-drilling textures. So you need an 8mm bit. Just going to drill straight through there into the metal. Here we've got 8mm bit holder. There we go.